Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nelly Joao. Hope you are all doing well. So in this video I will show you guys my wash hair routine. So I start by wetting my hair. So before you apply your shampoo, you have to make sure your hair is wet enough. You need to wet your hair. So once my hair is wet, I apply my shampoo. I use the PL brand. It's a brand in China. When I apply the shampoo the first time, it doesn't foam a lot. You can also realize that when you wash your own hair. So I apply the first time, then I rinse it out. The second time it foams. So now you have to constantly massage your scalp. You wash it very well. You massage your scalp. I apply the shampoo 3 to 4 times. Later on, when I apply the shampoo again, I use my hair massager and I use it to massage my scalp, and also use my hands to massage my scalp. This is good because it helps you to relax and it also helps for hair growth. So once I'm done washing my hair, the next thing which I apply is my deep conditioner. So I make sure that I apply the deep conditioner all over my hair. Don't forget the middle of your hair, because that's the part that we mostly tend to forget. So apply enough. Don't be stingy with it. Apply. Put a good amount on your hair. After you've applied, you allow it to rest for 1 hour. But since I'm so extra, most of the times I allow it for 2 to 3 hours. So this is after 3 hours. I just rinse out my deep conditioner and my hair is very soft. It feels so good. After washing your hair, it's always good to make a protective style. It could be cornrow, it could be bantu knot, it could be twist, but don't leave your hair like that and go to bed. And I don't blow dry my hair. I just allow it to dry a little bit. Pat the hair. You take now your leave-in conditioner. So you get your leave-in conditioner and you apply. Then I use my hair growth oil to seal the leave-in conditioner. Even the leave-in conditioner, apply a good amount on your hair because it's very good for hair. Apply a good amount and I seal it with my hair growth oil. And this is basically all about my hair wash routine. So the 4 products which I use are shampoo, deep conditioner, leave-in conditioner, and hair growth oil. It's important to have all these 4 products at home. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. If you have any other product which you use, you can tell me in the comment section.